This video is about how to create boards on Pinterest using a mobile phone. Now on Pinterest app, you can tap this plus button below here, then choose to create a board. You can also go to your profile, then tap this plus button and also choose to create a board. The next thing is to enter a name for your board, or even choose one of these suggested names. And from there, you can add some pins and go on to create your board. And after creating your board, you can add your own pins, including idea pins, which are mainly videos. You can also add other things like board sections, collaborators, and notes. And you can also add collaborators through this plus button. And when adding pins, you can also create more boards. And through this section, you can find more ideas for your board, organize your pins, or even add your important pins on your to-do list. You can also set how you want your pins to appear on your board. And through these three dots, you can enter your board where you can add a description and the collaborators and also set your board visibility. You can also merge, share, or even archive your boards. And if you go to your profile, you can see your board and all your pins. And if you tap and add on your board, you can edit your board, reorder it, or even share it. And if you tap this format icon, you can set how you want your boards and the pins to appear on your profile. And to delete your Pinterest board, you need to go to the boards editing screen, then go on to delete the board below here. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Pinterest and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.